Hello, everyone. Nice to see you all in this virtual meeting. Today, I want to give an update on GRAMP, as you all know, Global Research Alliance and Modeling Platform, which is funded a few years ago by DEFRA UK to create a platform that we can showcase various models and look at much more closely the genealogy of these models, how these models are developed over a period of time. We have done that. The funding is ceased now, but we still continuing this activity over a period of time. Um, from last year to this year, I just want to give you an update and what's going on and what's happening afterwards. What are our future plans on this? So as you all know, GRAMP is hosted on gramp.org.uk. You can type that and go to that website and see what's going on there. Yep. Um, just to give an update on the activities, a new model was added to the GRAMP, which is called BASFA. Um, this model family, BASFA and BASGRA, and all are added along with DNDC and ECOS family. The DNDC actually the first time through the GRAMP, we published a paper on DNDC, how many types of DNDC that exist, how many varieties of DNDC have DNDC evolution of these models that happened. And there is a paper you can see on that that gives you a clear development of how the DNDC developed over a period of time. And ECOS how that is developed. And now the next model that is coming is BAS4 family that is going on. That is now added to that GRAMP platform. But actually what happened was the GRAMP was hosted so far in US server because we have a partners in US, they were hosting till now. Because the funding is ceased, now we move to UK web hosting, and now we move to the James Hutton Institute site. The site is still active, gramp.org.uk, but it is presently from last 1.5 months, it is shut down because of the essential maintenance. You can see the ribbon on the top. GRAMP is under essential maintenance work, but it will be up and running again next year with all three model families. So I'm very glad to say that we got a new round of funding for the GRAMP. It's not necessarily for the GRAMP, but it's taking the GRAMP to the next level. We have been thinking for a while how to connect these models to the data. We had a several discussion with several of these partners within this group, Cropland research group, how we can connect the data to the models and run in more or less in a real time. So keeping that in mind, we have been now funded with NERC. That's a research council in UK. We got almost 1.2 million to develop this one in next 2 years to bring in the GRAMP models into the Precon platform and install the sensors on the ground. And these sensor information directly talk to the models, and we are trying to run the models almost in a real time. So we are going to demonstrate in 2 different sites in Scotland this technology, and we are bringing the information at various scales. Some information come from the remote sensing, eddy covariance measurements towers, which are works at the landscape level, and the ground level sensors for moisture, temperature, pH, and all the information which is collected directly passed on to the centralized server where our models are sitting, all the GRAMP models, which will take this information and real time and produce the outputs, which is put it into the app that goes into the farmers that will allow them for the real time decision making. So the overall objective of this project is to create a digital monitoring, verification, reporting system. So as for the soil carbon change. So the main objective, as I mentioned here, create an iterative near real-time digital MVR system that allow dynamic model forecasting at the farm level. So We are quite excited for this, and certainly this will take the GRAMP models into the next step in its evolution. This is all from us from UK. Thank you very much. I will keep you updated more and more information on this, our new project. Thank you.